2020 Toyota Prius. I'm doing the Maf air sensor. This is a 2020 Prius, the 1.8 liter, and I'm going to show you to replace the Maf sensor and clean it. So 1.8 2020. Like I said, I'm going to show you how to replace it, or if you want to just take it out and clean it, you could do that too. Here it is. It's pretty simple. There's just a clip. You want to push your thumb on this little button on the side here, and then slide this connector backwards. It could be a little stubborn, so if it's a little stubborn, don't get too impatient. And then it has two little screws that need to come out. Now these screws are like pretty small. They're like a smaller bit, so like a regular Phillips might not work on them. You're gonna have to go get a smaller head that's a little bit more pointy. That's what I had to do. So you unscrew these and be careful not to lose these, because they're kind of like hard to find. If I'm gonna try to link some extra screws in the comments below. But just try not to drop them. They're kind of slippery. So we'll get these out, unscrew them, and they just unscrew like that, and then we'll set them aside, and then your Maf sensor will just kind of slide out. You just lift it straight up, and it looks like this. There's the little wires inside that measure the air. So here's the part number. I'm going to link it below. I highly recommend getting a Toyota one if you're going to replace it. And there is aftermarket ones. I'm going to be linking some Amazon links. The Toyota one is definitely the best way to go. It's like 83 bucks. They're not big on pictures, but that is the right one. And then there are these aftermarket ones for cheaper priced, but I highly recommend going Toyota. Now let me show you how to clean it. These wires in here get dirty over time, and they start producing like an invalid reading. So if you suspect that, you can get yourself some Maf sensor cleaner. I'll also link it below, and you're gonna spray off those wires, and it's pretty simple as that. Just make sure there's nothing on there like leaves or dead bugs that will distort the reading. Let it dry out for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then put it back on. Never use brake cleaner or anything else besides Maf cleaner spray. Alright, so we'll go and get that on right there, and then you just put your screws back in. Make sure it's facing the right direction. I believe it has to go the right direction. It's like kind of dummy proof. So we'll put this back in. We'll tighten these screws down and get these screws snug, and then maybe a little bit tighter, like a quarter turn. But don't go crazy tight on the screws, because you might strip them out. And then once these are in and tight, we're going to plug the connector in. Make sure you do not have the key in the car, or don't have the car accessories on while you disconnect this, because it'll throw your check engine light. So once all that stuff's done, we're going to plug this back in right here. And once that's connected, you should be good to go.
Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for AWD-e.com. They got a handful of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket LED headlights. They've been out a few years now, and at first the lights they had were 200% brighter than regular headlight bulbs. Now they've upgraded the tech this year, and now it's 600% brighter. So if you're in the boonies, the suburbs, the city, I highly recommend you upgrade your bulbs. Nothing wrong with having an old car, but you should get with the times and have bright headlights like everyone else. These bulbs are available on Amazon. However, if you go to the AWD-e website, that's where I could give you a promo code for 15% off. All you got to do is go to the website, type in your year, make, and model. There's basically products for every car out there, and what kind of light you want. They have all kinds of different lights for interior, exterior, headlights, and then you just browse to what you need and you get it. And then at checkout, you're going to type in GearmoAuto and then hit apply in the coupon code spot, and it'll take 15% off.